There are days when the world heats under your skin, when words you never said vibrate in your hands. Anger isn't the enemy, it's energy looking for form. So let's give it one. This is rope meditation, an active, tactile way to channel what the body can't say through stillness. I've spent years shaping this practice, learning how to breathe and how rope can carry emotion safely through the hands. We don't silence the heat, we guide it out. I want you to name what's tight. Maybe it's frustration, control, disappointment. Every twist says, "This matters." You're not wrong for feeling it. Keep tying. Let your emotions materialize as you form these knots. Let's take a breath. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 8. Again, inhale for 4 and exhale for 8. You've named the heat, given it shape. Now, we don't tighten or fight it. We cool it. This next part is simple. We breathe until the body remembers calm. Each inhale gathers what's left of the warmth. Each exhale teaches it how to leave. Hold the heat without feeding it. Inhale through the nose. Feel the rise. Long exhale through the mouth. Let the warmth leave the palms. Energy wants movement. Let your breath be the vent, not the voice. A few more breaths with me. In through the nose, gather the warmth. Out through the mouth, let it leave the hands. Again, inhale through the nose, draw in the calm air. Out through the mouth, release the spark without the flame. Last time, inhale through the mouth, feel the chest rise, steady and grounded. Exhale, let the tension into the air around you. Good. The heat has cooled. The body's steadier now. What's left is pressure, the kind that hides in muscle and memory. This next part isn't about fixing anything. It's about letting movement finish what the breath began. We'll start to loosen the knots one by one, so what once held tension can return to flow. Now, loosen one knot at a time. No yanking, just gravity and breath. Each pull is like a sigh the body never took. Venting isn't losing control. It's releasing pressure safely through rhythm and touch. Let's do 2 physiological sighs together, which is an inhale, then a tiny top-up inhale, and then a long exhale through the mouth. Do it with me. Inhale, then a tiny inhale. Now exhale fully through the mouth. Good. One more time. Inhale, an extra inhale to the top. Exhale all the way out. What's left after the heat passes is space. Space for choice. Space for gentleness. The rope doesn't need to hold anything now, and neither do you. Let your hands stay open for a moment, not empty, just calm. And the rope is softer now, and so are you. Every twist and pull was just a language for motion, a way for your body to say what words could not. And notice what's changed. The warmth is still there, but it's different now. Not sharp, not urgent, just energy that's being reformed. This is what it means to cool without hardening, to let pressure become presence. Let the rope rest exactly as it is, and let yourself rest the same way. Share this with anyone you think could benefit from this practice. Thank you for being here with me today as we untangle the mind, one knot at a time.